Hello, today we're going to talk about our project, which is Carbon Emission Awareness and Information Platform. Our advisor is Dr. Reza Paragabagar, and my name is Jose Cordero, and my teammate is Paul Romero. So, a little bit of the agenda we're going to go through today. So, we're going to start with the background and introduction of our project, then go into the specific problem statement and the purpose of the project, and go a little bit into literature review and as well as the design and future plans for the project. So, uh, a little bit of the background. We started thinking about global warming, which is the observed increase in average temperatures of the Earth's atmosphere and oceans, and how it has become a worldwide concern. Finding a solution to global warming has proven to be a very challenging task. Governments have tried implementing solutions but have really failed to do so effectively. And as a result, corporations and industry have been forced to absorb or transfer the cost of these unsuccessful environmental regulations into their products or services. And at the same time, individual consumers are frustrated, wishing they could find ways to help the environment, but really struggle to do so. Scientists have found that there is a direct relationship between carbon emissions and global warming. Specifically, carbon emissions are the primary greenhouse gas emitted into the atmosphere by human activities. So then we started thinking about the concept of carbon neutral and what it is, and it basically says that every product you buy, every service that you contract, or every transaction you can think of can be a carbon dioxide emissions-free product, service, or transaction. Or even products that you have bought in the past and continue to use can be made carbon dioxide emissions-free or carbon neutral. How is this possible? Carbon neutral refers to achieving zero net carbon emissions by balancing a measured amount of carbon released with an equivalent amount of sequestered or offset, or buying enough carbon credits to make up for the difference. So, if the production of a water bottle releases 10 tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, then if you plant enough trees or buy enough carbon credits investing into environmentally friendly projects or renewable energy projects, then you get carbon credits to offset and balance out the emissions, the carbon emissions from that went into the atmosphere from the production of that bottle. So the specific problem statement is that carbon concentrations in the atmosphere are responsible for problems with human and environmental health, the destruction of ecosystems, and our current biggest threat of climate change. Many people are aware of the problems we face regarding the carbon levels in the atmosphere, but consumers and industry are often not on the same page. Consumers who are aware and want to reduce their carbon footprint struggle to find ways and options to do so. The purpose of this project is to develop a website that will connect consumers interested in carbon neutral products and companies that offer carbon neutral products or are interested in the subject. The website will serve as an information platform for consumers as well as industry on carbon offset projects, carbon credits, and the overall idea of a carbon neutral product or service. The project will also involve surveys and statistical analysis on consumers to find out if they are willing to pay more money for carbon neutral products or services, and also inform industry about the potential profitability on having carbon neutral products.
For our literature review, we researched many different topics pertaining to CO2 carbon emissions and topics related to our project. Some of these topics were triple bottom line, carbon credit, carbon sequestering, CO2 emissions and taxes, reducing carbon emissions from individuals and companies. All of these topics have broadened our knowledge with respect to our project and helped us learn what research has been made around the world and how to apply that research to our project. For design, we plan on creating a website that will act as an information platform, connect individuals and consumers to industry/companies and vice versa. The website will have a forum to connect both parties with concerning questions regarding the topic at hand, surveys and data collected. With this surveys, we would show what we have collected to companies, and then from questions companies have, we can ask individuals and consumers general information on the topic, update on news and progress made with technology and advances. Future plans. For the second part of a senior project, the plan is to create the website, gather information to post on the website, as well as start conducting surveys, meet with advisor to further improve ideas and design a project, and finally create an economic analysis on benefits of having CO2 carbon credits, and will elaborate more on the idea of consumers having the option to pay a certain price in order to have plastic bottles they purchase be CO2 friendly. Thank you.